I am Meet Dedia and of grade 10th and I've completed my school education from the Universal Ghatkopar School, and I'm very happy that I have scored highest marks in mathematics. And I would also, first of all, I would like to thank AKS National School Topper Education Award, which as this award, as getting this award will play a very significant role in my mind, in my life, which will act like a fuel of motivation to achieve greater heights in my future. And when I recollect my past, there are some bitter memories when I've scored grade C in mathematics in one of my tests, and at that point of time I was completely shattered. But my parents and teachers gave me motivation, motivated me to start again. And very soon I realized two things. First of all, that there are many conceptual issues which are cleared quickly through my teachers and parents. And secondly, I realized that how logical, applicable and beautiful mathematics is, which created an great interest in the subject. And I hardly remember that I have remembered any formula, because I used to visualize that. I always used to try to visualize that formula, and the result of this, that I always got a grade A star in my all successive exams. And how can I forget my respected principal, parents and teachers' effort, and especially teachers who are always ever ready to clear my all serious doubt. Thanks to all of them.
Hi, this is Dipti Dedia, mother of Meet Dedia, who has rewarded me this award by scoring the highest marks in mathematics. Special thanks to AKS Education Award for the National Topper. This award means a lot to me, as it proves that discipline, determination and dedication always lead to the path of success. Being a parent, I always made sure that Meet practices maths on the daily basis and always has a limit time for the electronic gadgets. For the conclusion, I would like to add up that there is no substitute for the hard work. Thank you.